Next one. What is this one? Is your platform as a service.
Platform as a service.
What do you mean by a platform? Okay. So you guys came back to India, and your father wants to, or you guys wants to construct a house in US. So to construct a, what do you require?
Piece of land.
Yeah, we need people and we need.
First is piece of land you require, correct?
Yes.
Piece of land where you want to construct your house. Okay, that piece of land is nothing but a platform. The house that you want to construct are nothing but to build your own application. Okay,
Okay.
like build your house, you require a lot of materials. What are those materials? You require a mason, you require workers, you require bricks, you require sand, you require cement. That is nothing but your infrastructure. Your land is nothing but a platform.
Okay.
Your house is nothing but a software. Your house is nothing but an application. To build any application, to build custom application. Custom matlab any software developers or people like you who wants to build their applications, they require a platform to build that particular application. So the cloud computing, some companies who provides platform to build the applications, to build, okay, to build the applications, to build, to test, to deploy, all these things. Someone has to take care of all these things. So the cloud computing who provides you the platform service to build your applications is called as a PaaS. Okay, in this, okay, AWS is also one of the vendor, and our Salesforce is also one of the major cloud platform who provides as a platform as a service. Yes, here. Salesforce has two platforms. Can you see? Force.com, 3. Force.com, Heroku, and Fuel. Okay. Force.com is in a platform. Platform ante nothing but a base. Okay. This is my platform. See, I created my own application, recruitment application. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is my app. I only created this. Okay. These are all of my objects. Okay. Complete automation I have with it. Okay. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Form like this. So this, who is providing this? Salesforce has given me to develop my own app. Okay. These are all our applications. Okay, now you created your own app. Where do you, like, you go to Play Store and you download, right? Similarly, when you an app in Salesforce, you need to go to app Exchange and you need to install or you need to deploy your app there so that people will start using your app. Understood? So Salesforce has a force.com. Force.com is a platform where you can create your applications. Heroku is one more platform where you can create applications like on, if you are using like Perl, Ruby, Python, Java, the programming languages. Okay, and there's another platform called Fuel, which is used for marketing applications, which can be customized. That is called as PaaS. Similarly, if you go to PaaS, you will Amazon, your CA, you have Salesforce, you will also see Google also. Okay, and nothing but your Windows Azure is nothing but Microsoft. Microsoft Azure is there in all the three areas. It is there in PaaS, it is there in IaaS, it is there in software. Got it? Understood? Now, what do you mean by software as a service? Okay, so software as a service, it provides you software. What software? Oracle, some C++, some Java. Okay, so they provide you the software as a service which you can work on your software. Okay. See, software as a service is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining a software, you will simply access it via internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. Okay. Bus, your mobile app has Amazon app. Tell me what are the apps you have in your mobile? You have Uber app.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do have Uber app.
Uber app. That is nothing but a software, right? So you're
Yeah.
just connected to Uber and you're placing in a cab request. So are you maintaining that software? No. Every 2 months, 3 months, your phone will get update, right? Your system update will happen, no, in the settings.
Yeah.
Okay. When you update this, when you update your mobile, your apps also will get updated. Do you remember?
Yes, yes.
Why? Because those companies' apps are getting updated frequently. So you will, because the customers needs to access the latest software. So they keep on. So who are doing? You are doing, or the mobile company is doing? Mobile company.
Company is doing.
You just click on that update. Ante. You just press it that on update. Finish. And you'll sit. Who is doing everything? That, see, that is what it is said. Can you see? Killing yourself from complex software and hardware management. Installing any software, you're not maintaining any software. Who is doing that? That mobile. So that is the use of your software as a service. So SaaS, you can also see Salesforce is also one of the software vendor who provides you the softwares. Now, what are the softwares, you will ask? Okay, sir, what are the softwares? Okay, it already has apps like sales app, CRM, that is called as customer relationship management, sales apps, marketing app. Okay, uh, then we also need to have what do you call the sales service cloud. Yeah, marketing app, sales app, and service. Three apps are there. Three clouds are there. Salesforce is providing us. Okay, like that you also have Einstein, Salesforce Einstein, which is in a software which talks more about the AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Got it? That's the concept of your SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. DaaS will not talk now. Okay, that's called as a data as a service. Understood? So these are all are your application, and this is how your traditional application is built. Can you see here? If you want to build an app, okay, see, this is a legacy platform. You need to buy and set up a hardware. Okay, you need to install the complex software. You need to provide the user access. You need to take care of your build and test and security, and you need to set up the reporting and analytics part. Then you need to build, and then your finally your application will built. When it comes to the Salesforce, okay, what you are doing, you only just create it, you only just build it. Rest all activities which are there at the left side will be taken care by whom? By the
Salesforce platform.
Pradhamenda, clear in the, that is
Yes.
people are using getting into cloud. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the pillars of cloud computing. First, you'll have IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Can you see virtual machine, server, storage, load balancer? On top of that, you'll have platforms. Okay, database. Okay, web server, development tools. On top of that, you'll have softwares. Okay, if you want to use database, you need to have some. For example, you want to use email. Okay, email Microsoft Exchanger will be there in PaaS, and your Microsoft email app will be there here, where you will be accessing. And then you will have a cloud client, nothing but your web browser, your mobile app, or your laptop, or your client, or your terminal emulator. From this cloud clients, you will access your SaaS from their PaaS and IaaS. Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
So Salesforce has two types of methodology. Okay, basically it is a CRM. I'll speak more about CRM in the next class. Okay, to build any app, build in the sense, guys, to create an app, you are moving from pharmacy to IT. Okay, to build or to develop, all are same. To create an app. Okay,
Okay.
two ways in Salesforce. Getting my point? Declarative and programming. Okay, declarative is in a concept where you don't require any programming experience. You don't require any programming, not required programming language. You don't require any programming language. Okay, without help of programming, without any help of programming language, you can create your own app. Okay, so this app, what you are seeing, I have not done any coding. It is only
Yeah.
just clicking, okay, selection, clicking, and everything. Okay, selecting, clicking. Okay, if I want to create an object, what I'll do, I'll click on setup. Okay, I'll go to create, I'll go to object, and I'll say new custom object. Then I'll ante. No coding.
Wow.
The other one as programming where you require programming language knowledge. Programming knowledge. Okay, so at least we expect you to know at least object-oriented programming, at least some Java concepts, at least what do you mean by classes. Okay, these are the things we want expect the students to know about it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, until unless you're not good in this concept, okay, you cannot do the coding. That means, simple example, you created an you created a form like this now. When I say new, you created this form, right? Web form, right? Web page form.
Net.
Mm.
You create in a web page. Got my point? I'll go to setup, I'll go to develop, I click on Apex classes. Okay, I click on new. Okay, then I'll start the code here. Okay, simple, right? Public class name. Okay, position. Okay, per code. Got my point?
Yeah.
Yes, one is your declarative and the other one is programming. So declarative is called as an admin and this is called as a programming. Got it?
Yeah.
First talk about
Yes.
declarative, then we'll move on to the programming part. The approach of the class. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. And then we can
Uh,
yeah.
so whatever the today's class will be recorded, right? So how we can access to the recorded the one if you want to see
That
all the.
I will send you Pawan.
Okay. Okay. Sure. No problem.
okay. So anything else? I think then I'll stop it here. Hope you guys understood what I was talking since 1 hour 10 minutes.
Yeah, we understood.
Okay, so that's how it goes. Let me know if you have any queries or any what do you call any doubts or any this one.
Yeah. Sure. Till now, like you have explained very good. I'm like, uh, yeah. If any doubts in the next class, definitely we can ask,
The
right?
next
If I
class,
go through the.
yes, yeah. Next class, you have to practice whatever I am doing it. Okay, so once the class gets over, you have to practice. Declarative is one way of methodology. Okay, if you don't practice, okay, you will forget.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm done from my side. Tarun, you have any questions?
No, nothing. Shiv. The thing is, like tomorrow, shall we continue the tomorrow's class or?
Tomorrow is a Sunday, right? So for me, it is a Saturday. Okay, we'll continue the
Okay,
session on Monday itself again. We can discuss with the Navya on this.
sure. We will discuss and I can let you know. Okay, no problem. Thanks, Shiv.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.